Here I have LAVA Z90 and let me show you how to enable here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. Then let's choose the fingerprint. So let's tap fingerprint management, and before we add the fingerprint you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. Let me use pattern. Let's draw the unlock pattern. Let's do it again just for confirmation. That's it. So now when your device is locked, you can choose the form of notification. It could be show all notification content. You can hide sensitive one or don't show notifications at all. Let me show all content, tap done. And now you can tap add fingerprint and you can now place the finger on your sensor. The sensor is located right here at the back of the device. Let's start tapping the sensor a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint. Alright, tap continue right now, and now you can press the power key, and to unlock your phone you can use your pattern or you can use your fingerprint. Let me show you. That's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.